Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to edit your profile on the Goodreads application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone. Now click on the more button down below or section. This is the last one. Tap on the settings option. And now click on the account settings button at the top. Now select the second one, profile. Here the first thing that you can do is to add a photo of yourself. Click on the choose file button. You can either take a photo right away with your phone by clicking on the take photo button, or you can also choose a picture from your gallery. Now if you scroll down, you have the chance to display your name and edit it, also to select your gender, select or set your birthday, your location, your profile URL, your website, and to write something about yourself. If you are done with all this information, they will be saved automatically if you press this settings button in the upper left corner, thereby going back to the previous page. So all of the data has been updated and saved. So feel free to change them anytime by going back to this same section. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing and see you in the next video. Bye bye.